so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and I'm really tired. Wait a second, why don't we draw a bed together? That sounds like fun. Yeah, I love going to bed because I have sweet, nice dreams. All right, let's draw a blue bed. All right, first, let's start to draw a big rectangle. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a little gap right there, and I'll show you why. You see that? But first, we need some pillows. Yeah, you need to have something to lay your head on, and these pillows are rectangles. Yeah, just like that. And watch this trick. Whoa! Looks like when you go like this, yeah, it looks like those are the blankies. But if you do a little line like that, and then match that squiggle, now it looks like you folded back the covers and made your bed. Whoa! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. It's me, Blippi. Whoa, I'm climbing up a ladder. I'm acting like a firefighter to save someone. I'll come help you. Hey, why don't you and I draw a ladder? Ladders are so useful. Yeah, for firefighters. So then they can get up to the top of the building and help people. Or maybe you're a painter and you need to get up really high to paint the ceiling. Whoa. All right, to draw a ladder, let's draw a diagonal line just like that. Whoa. And then another diagonal line just like that. And watch this. We'll do 2 more lines right next to them. And then if you make an arch up here, an arch right there, one at the bottom, one at the bottom, now they're really long ovals. And then if we draw some horizontal lines, just like this, that is what you use to step on. Yeah, those are the steps. Wow, I sure do love drawing. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know all the planets of our solar system? Yeah, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Wow, there's 8 planets. Why don't we draw one of them? I'm gonna pick the color red, and let's draw Saturn. Wow, Saturn is the 2nd largest planet. Whoa, and it looks like top of a circle, but I'm gonna stop halfway. And then I'm gonna start to draw the ring. Whoa, check it out. And then the bottom half of the circle, just like that. Wow, doesn't that look like Saturn? I know, wow. Thank you so much for drawing Saturn with me. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see what I'm wearing? Yeah, my blue shirt. Ooh, and my orange suspenders. Oh, and check it out, my hat, and what's this? Yeah, my orange bow tie. Maybe you and I can draw my bow tie. I love wearing my bow tie because it's one of my 2 favorite colors. What is it? Yeah, orange. Then my other favorite color? Yeah, blue. All right, to draw my bow tie, we need to draw a circle right in the middle. Whoa, and then we need to draw this big, looks kind of like a triangle, but it doesn't connect. And then over here, we'll do the same. All right, whoa, starting to look like my bow tie, right? Okay, so now let's draw a very thin oval and one right here. Wow, and that kind of looks like it's wrinkled, right? Yeah, see? Oh, now that looks like my bow tie. Whoa, that was so much fun drawing with you. Wow, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. All right, will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Yeah, what do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa, let's add some green. Whoa, there we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa, now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, Blippi, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have a great idea. Why don't you and I draw my best friend's watch? Yeah, Meekah's watch. And do you know what color it is? Yeah, it's purple and yellow, her 2 favorite colors. But I'm gonna take purple and start by doing a very small circle right in the middle, and then a larger circle like that. Whoa, it kind of looks like an eye, right? And then we'll do 4 lines, just like that. Whoa! All right, now we have to draw a circle around it, but we need to do some bumps. All right, so like this, bump out, bump in. Whoa, bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Whoa! Now that looks like the watch's face. And then we need to draw all the way to the top, like that, and all the way to the bottom. Yeah, and that's how you put it on your wrist. And this side right here has circles. Yeah. Whoa, that looks so good. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I would love to draw something with you. How about a computer? Yeah, a computer is a machine that you can work on. Whoa, sending emails, or maybe you could even edit and make a video. Awesome. All right, to draw a computer, I'm gonna grab my black marker and draw a rectangle up here. Whoa, look at that rectangle. And then I'm gonna draw a rectangle inside the rectangle for the screen. Whoa, check that out. And then I'm gonna draw a really wide base rectangle. Wait a second, that looks like a trapezoid. Whoa, let's draw some lines like this. Whoa, and then some horizontal lines. Yeah, now that looks like the keyboard. Whoa, computers are awesome. And maybe on the screen, you're watching a video of a heart. Wow, cool. Wow, I love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi, Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.